Alright, this is my review of the Casio AE-1600H-1AV. So I really like the design of this watch with its heptagon-like shape and large display. And I especially like the grey faux coloured screws, making the look really pop. Although I can't help but feeling that we are missing the top right push button. That would have been a nice inclusion. The buttons feel very responsive and not too tough to push in. It combines a modern, sporty and rugged look. It's comfortable on the wrist and the strap is made from resin. The 1600 does feel very durable and tough, and it has a 100-meter water resistance. Unfortunately, the LCD display is quite dim, and that goes for the light also. It is still very visible though, but not to the same degree as the A1500. As far as features, we have time and date, 5 alarms, a timer, stopwatch and dual time. So no real advanced features here, but what we do have are easy to use and will never really let you down. We have the famous 10-year battery life, which you really can't argue with and is dependent on your usage. So when it comes to performance and use, it's about as snappy as any other modern Casio when it comes to inputs, and that is also true of the layout of the functions. You can easily use it for daily wear. Now, this watch cost me £30 in the UK, and I'd say it's worth it for the money. The AE-1600H's strengths are its style, large display, basic but decent reliable functionality, and comfort. Weaknesses are the display is unfortunately a bit dim, as well as the light, and we are missing that top right button, which would cap it off nicely. But overall, for the price, I like it, and it will be staying in my collection for some time. But what do you think? Will you be getting one? Thanks for watching.